This is question number 24 on the Foundation Non-Calculator paper. Alright, reading the question first, the question says, the scatter graph shows information about the height and arm length of each of 8 students in year 11. So there are 8 people altogether. Let's just check that. Right, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 crosses on there. Each one of them represents a different person. The question in part A, it says, what type of correlation does the scatter graph show? Now you just need to know this. You need to remember that if they're going upwards from left to right, if it's increasing that way, that's called a positive correlation. So that's what I'm going to write into this space. That's a positive correlation. If I just move this up a bit, you'll see that, and we'll need to do that a fair bit soon to look at the last part of the question. So that's a positive correlation. Now moving this right up so we could see part B, the question says, a different student in year 11 has a height of 148 centimeters. So a particular student has a height of 148 centimeters. Estimate the arm length of this student. Estimate the arm length of this student. So I'm going to remember 148. I'll bring this down a bit. Yeah, that's enough. Right. It is absolutely essential that before I do anything, I draw a line of best fit. Now, the line of best fit is a line on the graph where there's like about an equal number of points above and below the line. So if I drop that down there, right, that should give me a pretty decent line of best fit. Now it's not perfect, and not everybody would have exactly the same line, but I try to do it so that there's an equal number of points above and below. So there's 1, 2, 3 below, 1, 2, 3 above. Yeah, that's about right. But as I said, it's not perfect. Now, this particular person has a height of 148 centimeters. So there's 140. Halfway is 155. But if I check, 10 tiny squares are between 140 and 150. So 148 is going to be there. I'm going to use my ruler, and again, take care to draw a very straight vertical line, and use your ruler and do show it on there. It doesn't need to be dark, but you need to show it. And then go across from there. Again, do a horizontal line, and I try to make the line, draw it on top of one of them that is already there. Okay, and that is going to be the arm length of this person whose height is 148 centimeters. That's 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, and that's going to be what I write in my answer space, 84 centimeters. Okay, scatter graphs are really popular questions. Make sure that if you get one on it, you can do it, and you're able to describe the type of correlation, and always draw a line of best fit when you actually take readings of the scatter graph.